1 ತಿಂಗಳವರೆಗೆ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮತ್ತು ಫುಟೇಜ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ದಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಜೊತೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದರ ಫುಟೇಜ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನು ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಲು ಸಿಗುತ್ತದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
ಈ CP+ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಜೊತೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಲೈವ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದರ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ಫುಟೇಜ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಲು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಜೊತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯೂಸರ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವುದರಿಂದ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಓದಿಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾವನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತದೆ.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಲು EzyKam ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ.
Camera is starting now. Please wait. Wi-Fi connection, please wait.
ನೀವು ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಜೊತೆ ಕೂಡ ಮಾತನಾಡಬಹುದು. ಮನೆಗೆ ಕಳ್ಳರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದರೆ ಇದು ಸೈರನ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ಗೆ ಮೆಸೇಜನ್ನು ಕಳಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಮೂಲಕ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದರ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನು ಫುಟೇಜ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಸಹ ನೀವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮೆಮರಿ ಕಾರ್ಡನ್ನು ಹಾಕುವ ವಿಧಾನ. ಮೆಮರಿ ಕಾರ್ಡನ್ನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಮೇಲ್ಮುಖ ಮಾಡಿಯೇ ಹಾಕಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ
Presenting CP+ 3 megapixel Full HD Smart Wi-Fi CCTV camera 1296 pixel Full HD plug and play Wi-Fi PT camera, which enables crisp images that reveal the smallest details with absolute clarity. It also works with Alexa and OK Google, so you can go hands-free and enjoy the safety of a smart home. Its 360 degrees span and 85 degrees tilt covers the full view of the area. View the live video footage of your home and office anytime, anywhere in the world on your phone. Hassle-free installation. Connect to your local Wi-Fi in a moment. You can talk to the person on the other side while you see their live video feed to stay connected to your loved ones around the clock. It supports up to 128 GB SD card. The camera includes USB adapter and user manual. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay and net banking. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.
Hi guys, my name is Aman, and in this video I'm going to talk about something very important. In this busy world, we always tend to forget about our personal life, and sometimes we end up compromising the security of our loved ones. But for me, my number one priority and concern is the security of my loved ones. In this video, I'm going to tell you all that why the CP+ E35A Wi-Fi PT camera is a must-have for the security of your loved ones. The CP E35A is a 3MP Wi-Fi PT security camera that is best suited for indoor areas. Its 3MP image sensor provides high quality video and image. The camera is also equipped with pan tilt functionality, which allows you to move your camera to any direction to see 360-degree view of your entire room. And the best part is that you can remotely view camera and control its movement. It has a compact size, hence you can set it up in any corner without any hassle. It supports supports a micro SD card of up to 128 GB where you can store all video and audio data for post analysis. If you are recording video and audio, then this one feature you should definitely know about. That is the H.265 compression. That means that now you can store just the double number of days using the same micro SD card. It will also help to consume lesser bandwidth while you watch video and audio over the internet. This Wi-Fi PT camera comes with a two-way communication option through which you can easily communicate with your loved ones from anywhere, anytime in the world without being there physically. Isn't that a great feature? Because now you can not only talk to your loved ones but also listen to them. The CPE35A Wi-Fi PT camera has IR distance of 10 meters. These infrared lights are for better night vision, so now you can capture every detail even in low light areas. Now you can sleep peacefully without worrying the security of your loved ones. The installation is very easy. All you have to do is download the EzyKam Plus app on your iOS or Android device, connect the camera to your Wi-Fi, and you are now set to monitor the safety of your loved ones via your smartphone. The camera has motion detection alerts that will not only notify you about any movements but will also send you a notification immediately. Being compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, now you can easily view your camera just by voice commands. Using the privacy mode, you can block the camera view and recording to maintain privacy. Overall, this Wi-Fi PT camera is a reliable and a trustworthy security camera for your home and office use.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.